Okay, so we are at the Jaz Mirabel Parking Club. I hope I'm saying that right. Quick room tour, quite as I can. Got some wardrobe space here. Some drawers, safe, extra pillar. And we come into the bathroom. Pretty much standard bathroom. This room is a deluxe, I think I call it. A little bit of extra room there for your luggage. Full length mirror. Double bed. Nice firm mattress. Telephone there, couple of plug sockets. And past there. Mirror, some drawers there. Television, get a good picture. There is the wife. And a couple of little bucket chairs. And in here, a couple of little extra roomy type thing with curtains there you can pull for privacy. Like little sofa beds really, I suppose. And then comes out onto the balcony. Couple of comfy chairs. Have a look in the pool. All in all, very nice. I don't think I've missed anything really. There is a fridge in here. Little cool little fridgy bit at the top. Television, I think big's on at the moment if anyone's interested. And around the side there is a 2 USBs and HDMI port there, in case any of you are bringing fire sticks or memory card things. Flash drives, air conditioning. Oh yeah, all in all very nice.